Good morning. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. Today we have some things at play. We have this sell side here. This would be Asia. Hold on. Let's do. See, this is actually London. It's London sell side. London. Then we got Asia that was made above here. So we got two sell. Or we got two. Sorry, this is buy side. So we got two areas that we could have a draw on liquidity. We got London down here, and we got Asia up here. We also have, this is like at 6 o'clock. We have liquidity resting above here as well. So they're kind of our area points of interest as far as like a draw on liquidity for the day. We did not take out yesterday's low, so we need to put that in. Yesterday's low. And then we have yesterday's high. So we're trading in yesterday's range. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna zoom out, go to our 15-minute chart, and see where we're headed. Alright, so we filled in that. We do have 15-minute. We have the fair value gap here that we could draw into. Area for reversal. We do have this is a strong low on a higher time frame. We had a shift of structure through these, so we'll go ahead and mark that as a strong low. Get our fractals up and going here. Settings, let's get our executions off for clarity's sake. All right, let's see. We're trading inside this value gap right now in the hour. Let's see if we get a swing low here. All right, so we made a strong high here since we had a shift of structure. And the break. Break of structure. We still don't have any first presented fair value gap yet to kind of identify where we're going to go. We do have a possible swing low on the hour inside this fair value gap. So this could be an area where we could definitely start heading towards buy side and even maybe yesterday's high. But we'll see. It is 9:38 right now, so we'll just wait because at this point we can, try to look for liquidity and all that stuff. Especially before. Sometimes strong highs um, don't pan out for that pullback and sell off, especially before 9:45. We do have a swing low here, showing some good signs of bullishness. So if we get that little swing high formation or swing low formation, then we can easily go up to this. We just got 20 minutes left of that candle. And that would be on the 1 hour. So get a little swing low here on the 1 hour. That's it's gonna be major. And then let's see, where's this at? Two to 10 o'clock is the start. So 2 o'clock starts that 4-hour candle. So where is this at? 2 o'clock, 2:09, 2:76, 5, 4, 3, 2. You can see we're just accumulating below that 2-hour, the 4-hour candle, that the start of the candle. And then at 10 o'clock is where that 4-hour candle ends here. So it was bullish on that 4-hour. We were just accumulating below it before having distribution above it. So at opening price, we usually get distribution. It's just barcoding right now, even though you can technically read this. So we have a swing high here that took out a swing low here. And then we formed a swing high here. And let's see if we get a swing low here. Swing low here. And then we had a swing high here. Right now we're still waiting for that 9:30 first prisoner for value gap. This made a strong high because we took out a little low. But honestly, I think I think we're gonna go for Asia liquidity. It's 8:30 for value gap. Let's see, where's the 9 o'clock candle at? We need to mark that for the hour as well. Okay, usually accumulation below the candle with distribution above the opening of the candle. That's the 9. We get another swing here from a swing low formation here, we might be interested in trading that. Even though this is barcoding pretty bad, like just going up, down, up, down, down, we can still trade that if you know how to read it. Alright, so we might have our first presented fair value gap. See if we leave that open. Have that sell side here we're going to take out. We're at that we're that 4-hour open. So basically right now we've just made a doji candle. If we look at the 4-hour, that's what it should look like, right? Oh, maybe not. Hold on. Was I? Oh, 6. Sorry, my bad. 6 o'clock. This would be an 8-hour candle. Let's see, we're 6. 6 o'clock. Here we go. There we go. Yeah, we're just ripping down. Alright, we had a break of this. Check out that sell side. We would like to see what happens inside this fair value gap. So if we come above it, hold on. If we come back into that fair value gap, form a swing low in here, we'll definitely take a little trade up there to buy side. Then if we actually get a swing high here, we can take a short. We'll see what it does. The way this is printing, I would like to see it go for London. We just had a little roadblock here at this 1 minute fair value gap. But my bias is gonna stay bearish for right now. Yeah, this looks like we're gonna print down to London. $30. 10 o'clock is here. Then 10 o'clock starts that new 4-hour candle. I think we'll probably get down into that daily and kind of really dig into that daily for value gap and close it in before we. The way the economy is, I mean, it's probably going to go lower, just with all the drama that's going on. But it would be. I think our long-term target would be here for like the week, or maybe not even the week. Probably into next week, probably till Wednesday, or it could get there by Monday or Tuesday. This was not a bad trade. It just didn't retrace up to that 50% to that fair value gap and just left it open. That became inversion. Yeah, we're definitely going to go for London. Oh boy. Just see my stream here. Yeah, that was not a bad trade there off that inverted fair value gap. What time is that? 9:20. 8:20. Definitely gonna hit that London. We'll see if we leave this yesterday low alone. And see what 10 o'clock does, the start of 10 o'clock. See if we have some accumulation below that 10 o'clock candle, and then or 10 o'clock open, and see if we can get a push above that. There we go, took out London. So now what we have right here is a lot of liquidity resting above here. Have a lot of liquidity resting. I think we'll definitely see if we reverse this at 10. Kind of look what the accumulation looks like at 10 to 10:30 to 11. See if we can get a distribution up to this up here. Because if we just wick below these lows and then take it higher, that was definitely just a manipulation. If we get a good close below it, and head down to this 15-minute fair value gap, we could see a reversal at this level, at least for a short-term reversal. See what it wants to do. Well, we predicted where it's going to go towards that Asia or the London session. For the liquidity run, we just didn't get our entry signal. But it happens. I do think if you just make a swing high below a fair value gap and start running lower, it's gonna be a strong push. Alright, we made this from this high to that low. We've made one measured move. Look here. It's kind of weird the way the markets work. Like from here to here, you would not think that from here to here is the same. Like you'd think it's this price move here is a lot shorter than that one. It's kind of funny how our eyes work and the way the market looks. Thank you, love. Got a little swing low formation forming. At this point in time, we're gonna have to build some structure first. See, like a swing high here, something like this, like a up, down, up, and we'll go higher. It's kind of what I'd probably be looking for. Something like that. And then we could buy if we get this reversal at 10. If we do dip down into this 15-minute fair value gap down here too, that'll be a good area. So let's see a short-term reversal for us to take a trade. All right. All right. All right. So we had the start of the 4-hour here. New 4-hour candle. So it looks like we actually went up higher first. So this 4-hour candle could be could go lower. Hmm. Do I really like the risk to reward on that? I do not really, actually. I'm just gonna take one lot here. Like I said, just don't like the risk to reward on that. Yeah, it stopped out. Okay. That was actually a bad trade on my part. Not because I lost, just because that was below equilibrium. Low probability trade. This one here is a little bit better. At this point, I think everyone is going to try to short. Let it come back and down in here. I would really like to see it come back down in there, but we do have a gap here that has never been filled in. Let's see. That one right there, which I think is where we're bouncing off of right now. At 10 o'clock. Yeah. What's that? Glad I risked a little bit there. Current history, 24 bucks. Yeah, it's not bad. Alright, now we have a swing low formation here. We're gonna push up past that. I'm gonna wait. See, we might get up into this fair value gap first presented. But we'll see what we do. We might also just go up into this order block here. Not looking to take a trade off that, it's just to market. Just waiting. Just gotta wait here for something to show itself. So right now we'd be looking at, we have it drop below, or we have it, go lower. We took out London, took out yesterday's low. Oop, not good. Took out yesterday's low. Hold on. And then we dropped down into this fair value gap, and we made a swing low structure. Pushed high, or trying to make a rip out of this to go to buy side possibly. It is not confirmed yet. Do have a swing high here that we'd be looking at. See if we break that or not. This was a really nice trade here. Wish I had taken that, but I didn't go up into my fair value gap. I would have actually probably got stopped out, honestly, on that one. Because I would have done short, and then my stop loss would have been, yeah, I would have got stopped out on that one. Yeah. Got a swing low formation inside that fair value gap. It did close a little bit out of it, but we're just in this order block. I would like it to come back down here, see if we can form a a swing low, or even just like something around here. The reason I didn't enter here is just because of we didn't like if we got a slow swing low here, my risk to reward would just be all thrown off because we could have a potential reversal lower here. So I don't know, it's just low probability. If we do get a swing high here, in this fair value gap, that'd be of interest to me. And the only problem is really we just taken out London sell side, and yeah, we already took out London and yesterday's low sell side liquidity. So the only liquidity left for the day would be up at these, unless we want to draw down into that daily fair value gap or closing these like voids here, or not voids, but fair value gaps. This is a strong swing here. We are resting. Let's see where we're at. We are trading above equilibrium at the moment. Let's see what we get here. See if we get a draw into this first presented fair value gap, and then see if we get a swing high here. I wouldn't mind taking a short off that. And then we will take a short and then draw it down to here. See if we can get a push up in here. Wait for a swing high structure to form. See if we can get a short. Got 24 seconds left on this candle here. See what it does. I'd like to see it actually form a swing high with a red candle instead of green, but we did not get it. Alright. Back in the day, what I would have done is just put my limit order here, and I would have got stopped out. So that waiting for that swing high to form really has helped me. At this point, we've closed above it, so I need more confirmation to take a short off that. Right now we have like tweezer tops. It's not really that count. They're about even with each other. Hmm. See if we get a swing low here or swing high. If this candle closes below that, and we need it also to close below this as well. Otherwise, we made a swing high and a swing low, which doesn't really work. Right, so we might just go up for this buy side, I think. See what it does. I don't like this just because this candle never, even if it wicked below here, then yeah, but we did not wick. We just made a swing low paired with a swing high, so I don't like that. For this. at that point, we're kind of can't really do anything with that. Really didn't get the structure that wanted to see. We did get it dip into that fair value gap. This would have been a good trade here. I'm not gonna be, I think, trading any day. Something about today. I'm either just not focused or I'm not sure. I think I'm pretty tired. I stayed up way too late last night. I'm not really seeing anything that that I would like to see. And sometimes the market conditions are like that. They still respect the fair value gaps. They still, print, but the way it prints is different than what I'm used to sometimes. So, like, this is really aggressive, right? Like, you don't have a super strong pullback. For example, like this swing low to that swing high. This pullback was above equilibrium and it just ran. So, sometimes that does happen. I think we could be a little bit more aggressive with our swing high, swing low trading, but like right in here, I just don't like putting a order up there, a order up here, and then having, all that risk for a potential, reversal up here. Even though 10 o'clock, it's likely for it to go up to this sell side and even maybe up higher. I just don't like the risk reward on any of these trades that I would have taken. Even this one here, you just have take and trade here. It just don't compute for me as whereas I would, because I would have totally taken some off here at this first presented for value gap. And then I left one running to see, but I just don't like the risk to reward on those. Now this one would be not bad, like a trade here, very aggressive entry, not even waiting for a break of structure. Let's see, long. I just didn't have this marked up at the time, but take trade there. Stop loss there. That would have been, ideal. So made a little swing low here inside that fair value gap. You can see how it made a swing low above it. You have to wait till it gets into it before you take a trade. This might present us with a opportunity here. We'll see what happens. Let's see, 9:28. My time. Let's see. Just did have a shift of structure here. See what it does. I don't know, man. This one today, I don't think I have a good idea. I think it's gonna go up here, but I just don't think I have a good idea where it's gonna go. It's a tough one because we just took out all that liquidity. So really the only thing left would be down here. But I feel like we just want to take it higher. We just at this point either too we don't really have any like structure to lean on as far as like okay, we had like, let's say we had a swing here, high, swing, high, and then we broke structure. I mean, this is really the only swing like that we broke towards the upside, but it's just there's not really any clarity. Like for example, like right here, this is a definite swing low. It's a strong high. Wait for a pullback here, and we take a short. Stuff like that. Like this is very clean. This is just very parabolic, very aggressive moves. Yeah, I just don't know. It's hard for me to read when it comes to my strategy. We did get a break here, so I guess I could go off of that to sell off, but I don't want to. I really don't see it selling off. I could see a short-term reversal, maybe down to like a level down here. Let's see, where's the first presented for the gap for the 10 o'clock? Yeah, I mean, I can see it going lower. I just don't see it going past this point. But we'll see. Get my higher time frame. Doesn't look. It might be one of those days where we just might print sideways consolidation today. Even though we're having really strong moves up and down, it might just be up and down day. It is a Thursday, so it's a little bit harder to trade sometimes. Price action is less clear as far as when it comes to my strategy. You know. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna be done for the day. Didn't really see anything I like. We were able to read price action, but I'd like to see more like, I love trading in more of this type of structure. Just very clear, swing low, swing high, swing low, retracement, and target that. Like, it just very, very clean. Honestly, I personally like the London and Asia session. It seems just to be very clean, very clear. For example, like we had a shift of structure here, pullback, trade going up to these two. Break of structure here. It's a strong low, pullback, take a trade, target that. And we had a break of structure here, pullback here, went against me. So this would break a structure, pullback, take a short, then take that low. It's just very easy, high RR. There's just a lot of trades you can take in here that make sense to me. Long position here off that swing low, inside that for value gap. Take one off there. We have to, I mean, you can't have it that small, but take one off there, and then maybe let one to run here for a 5R, and then we had a break above that. So this would be your area of interest. We had to make a swing low formation inside here, so we take a trade. Long, target that, stop loss below that for a 6R. We have so we actually had a break of structure here and here, so this would be for a short. So pullback above a 50% retracement. Here it didn't happen, but we did form a swing high. So if we took a trade here, stop loss there, target that, that's a 1, and then we leave 1 to run for that, which is a 2 or almost a 3R there. We broke here, so we take another trade off of this, target that low, stop loss there, or let's see, this one, let's see, where's the swing at? That one actually is no good. You can't take a trade off that, because the risk reward is low. Order block, this is a weak high, so we couldn't take a trade off that. A strong high here, we're able to knock out that low, wait for the pullback. Here's a fair value gap, and then here's an order block. Wait for a swing high. Short here. We got stopped out of that one. Got stopped out. Broke a structure here. Wait for a pullback. Had the reclamation block here. Had a swing low. Take a trade. 1, 2, 3. So right here. Oh, target 1 here. And then maybe a higher target would be there for your second. Stop loss there for a 5R. So it's like just very, I love price action like that. Whereas today, we are not getting that. Maybe on a higher time frame, we're just not really respecting either the fair value gaps. We are respecting it to the bullish side, now the bearish side, but the first percent fair value gap hasn't been working for me that well unless it is in the hour of 9 o'clock. I mean, we did have a short term. I did reverse around that area, and we did have a pullback into it and made an inversion. So I don't know. See inversion right there. I was thinking about taking a short here off of that breaker structure and then the swing high, but I just don't think it's gonna go down to that level. We do have it come back into this level here. I like this actually. Let's remove all this stuff. Let's see what we do here. Yeah, I like this a little better. Let's see if we get a swing low. I have to wait for that swing low, which will be on this candle. This will be my last trading opportunity that I might get today as for before I stop. Didn't get the swing low. See what we do with this candle here. Yeah. This is the first presenter February gap at 10 o'clock. This one would hold more weight to it. And then we have that. Let's see if we get a swing low in this. We can do two of that. Alright, let's see. We got oh shoot. Well, we'll just put it down there. I meant to do I forgot I had instant execution on. Anyways. See where it goes. We did get a swing low here inside that fair value gap. We'll see what it does. And I would like to take one off. Probably around there, I'll take one off. If we do get a push up into that. And then I'll let one ride up to there. some good strong pushes up here. See if we can get a decent move off of this.
Should we go measure him?
Let's go.
Malachi cut his toe so good.
I'm gonna be right back, guys. Gonna step away for a little bit, let it just play out, and then come back in like 5 minutes to look at it. It's in this tree. Yeah. Alright, looks like I might get stopped out here, which is fine. I'm okay with taking that trade, and yep. Alrighty. Looks like, let's see if we do another swing. I wouldn't mind taking another trade off that, but see if we get another one here. Because my RR is so high on this strategy, even though my stop loss is low, I'm able to take multiple entries off of one that wants to go through it. Okay. Let's see what we do. Alright, another stop loss here. And we're gonna try again. Let's try this one more time and see if we can push out. So right now we're on like $50, down $50 on the day. But we'll see if we get a good push out of this. and break. We need it to break above that structure there. So we did 44 on that one, 24, so yeah, around $60 on the day loss. Hopefully we get a good push out of here. That was a failure. That's a weak high at the moment because we were failed to break that low. Wicks don't count as breaks for me, so that is a weak high. It's a good sign there. We could get a push. That's what we like to see. Good. Let's see. We do have a fair value gap. Let's see if we can get a breakaway gap off of this, leaving this open. I do think this sell side is of interest. So I was saying, like, London was taken, yesterday's low was taken. I don't know, it just seems like we should run a buy side real quick. Gonna go ahead and take a partial actually here. Oh shoot. Oh, that's okay. Meant to take a partial. Well, that sucks. Why did I do that? I don't sure. I'm very tired. Anyways, well, we close out the day with some profit. $123 minus 44 minus 6. We probably had $60 day. Not bad. It could have been better if we had just left it alone, probably. But yeah, it's okay. Should see we a little pullback here. I did have that breakup structure. If we do get a little pullback into this fair value gap, we could see potential trade, but star sell was at a high point. I was just gonna take my profit off that one just to get break even, but or break even day to pretty much guarantee that we'd be a closeout for the day of break even. So let's see, where do we do this at? We took along here. See what my risk was. At 17 risk, and we took it out here. So we still had a 3R on that one. Not bad. I keep forgetting I need to actually risk $100 each trade. I gotta start doing that because if I risk 16 makes 2, like that, it just throws off ratios and profitability. I need to risk $100 each trade, or 50, 100 or 50. If I'm not confident, risk 50. If I am confident, risk 100. But yeah. So if we get a swing low here, actually, you know what? I'm gonna be done for the day. I think we could get a swing low here, a potential trade opportunity to go to my buy side area. I just this day's kind of thrown me off. I'm gonna keep with the with my profit for the day, and if I do take a trade, I'm gonna do it on my bond account just for practice. So, yes, for everyone's sake, if anyone knows, I'm still on demo account. Next week, actually, I've been looking at some prop firms. I'm going to be doing some prop firm training next week, and actually trying to make a little living out of this. So, hopefully, next week we can start seeing some progress towards that. Go ahead and take, let's see if we get a swing. I'm on my fun account, which is just um, for fun's sake. See if we get a swing high here, or a swing lip inside this for like, yep. This actually might be the play on my real account. Time is it? It's almost 11. So we had the 4 hours, still trading above that 4 hour zone. And then 11 starts here. I do like the, if we form a swing low here, I'll actually take a trade on my real account, or the account I'm trying to grow. Got 11 seconds here. We need to start wicking back. There we go. 2, 1, and then we should form a little, see what we do.
Yeah.
Alright, so we close through that. Well, maybe it was a good thing. Maybe it was a good thing that I exited there. Alright, here we go. Let's see if we can. Nope. Shoot. I was waiting for some. It's been doing that today, man. It won't let me just get a little small candle. Let's see what we can. If we get a little pullback inside that candle, we can take a trade. this point, like we have to take a position here. It's gonna be we still could get something out of it. I would just take one lot though. Let's do that. We're either going to end the day break even or we're going to have some profit. So we'll see which one we get. Do have a, what is this, the 1 hour. So we have this starting hour. I actually do not like that. I prefer to see it dip below here and then get a buy. Do the power of 3 on the 1 hour candle. Like to see it come back down into here and then swing higher. Alright, I'm gonna be done for today. You guys have a lovely rest of your day. We're able to end the day off in profit. I think this is actually the 5th trading day in a row that I'm green, so that's always a good feeling. 44.24, so was that 68 minus the 123, so probably like 50 something dollars today. But yeah, not a bad trade at all. Just really like this right now. Take one more buy here. Actually, have 45 seconds left on that candle. Risking 13 bucks. I don't mind that. Alright. Well, I am going to end the stream. I'll let you know how this one goes. Probably it might go, it might not. Who knows? But All right. You guys have a lovely rest of your day and stay profitable.